I've been in the company 13 years and I joined as a project manager and we were only 20 people. I'm now in charge of the whole delivery team and there's been great opportunities for career growth.
I've seen the business grow fantastically over the last 20 years. There was only 10 people when I started and we're over 200 people today. I can see the same growth going forward over the next 20 years and I'd like to be part of that with my team.
So my own personal journey, moving from customer, being a consultant and now technical director, has been a fantastic journey. It's been really exciting to expand my skills and knowledge into the cloud and the technologies around that, and I hope it continues for many years to come.
I started at Columbus as a business consultant. I moved into general management and took responsibility for the team and then took responsibility ultimately for the whole business. So I've been at Columbus now 20 years.
Columbus has really given me the opportunity to grow beyond my wildest dreams. It really fills you with a happiness to be doing what you're doing every day.